back to this fabulous channel. Welcome to the City of Sin. If you all are new to the channel or stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these epic adventures, but today we are here to talk about the reopening of Las Vegas. I do have an upcoming trip planned, which I will share with you in a little bit, but I wanted to share with you some details about the reopening plans for Las Vegas. So the first casinos that are set to open on May the 26th, opening with Treasure Island, or known as TI, and South Point. So if you guys want to check out some of these opening hotels and casinos, I have done walkthrough videos on almost all of these, so if you want to check those out, be sure to head over to the channel, check out the videos, and search for some of these other prior works that we've done through the walkthrough videos. The next casinos that are set to reopen is going to be on May the 29th with the Downtown Grand and Caesars Entertainment. On the 31st of May, Circus Circus is set to reopen. The following day, on June the 1st, Wynn Resorts International, MGM International, Boyd Gaming, the Station Casinos, and Las Vegas Sands Group are set to reopen. Followed by that, on June the 4th, is going to be the Cosmopolitan, and on June the 18th, the Westgate. So they do have some rules that are going to be put in place to kind of protect guests and overall keep everybody safe. So at the craps table, they're going to limit the maximum number of players to 6. On the blackjack tables, you're only going to allow 3 players to play blackjack, and with the slot machines, every other slot machine is going to be disabled and the chairs removed. They are going to do some infrared checking of guests when they come into the hotel and casino, just to make sure everybody's not running a fever or a temp. So they do intend on checking guest temperatures through infrared when they enter the casino. They are not forcing guests to wear masks, but it is strongly recommended. So on June the 1st through the 5th, I decided to come back and film the reopening of Las Vegas. I will be staying at New York, and I'm going to be going with my friend Keith that was with me on the other production and the other adventure. So be sure to check out his channel. I did put a link in the description below. Also, a huge thank you to all of those who supported the channel with either a one-time donation through PayPal or by being a Patreon supporter. This only helps get more content like this out to you guys and allow me to get back to Vegas to film all of this. So thank you again for all of your help. Also, thank you for taking your time to watch all of these videos. Be sure to share these with your friends and family. If you liked the video, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. But my name is Ryan. Until the next Las Vegas adventure.